Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something that I've actually been wanting to do for a while now, but I have not been able to find the products necessary. Well, I finally did. Ulta, all over everywhere it seems like, is starting to give their stores facelifts. They're installing really awesome displays and all that for all of the products and all the new brands as they're coming in, and it's just really an exciting time to drop by Ulta. And I swear every single Ulta I go to is different. Not all of them have everything, but you could tell that all of them have the potential to add and change up, and it's just really awesome. The one I live next to is actually kind of sucky. I usually go down to the one closer to the mall and the strip and all that. But I went to mine finally yesterday, and they had a huge Makeup Revolution display, and they finally started carrying the freaking concealers. Now, everybody's been talking about these concealers. They're supposed to be full coverage. I believe they're $7.99, and everybody's just raving about them. And I wanted to try it, but I could never find it in stores, and it was so hard for me to tell the color I was going to be online, but I finally got it, and I wanted to put it to the test. So today I'm going to do one side with my handy dandy trusty Shape Tape, which you guys know is my number one, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people's number one. And I'm going to do the other eye with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous. I hope like the colors are similar enough. In the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm light medium. In the Makeup Revolution, I'm shade C7. Hopefully that's light medium, but we'll see. So let's get started. I'm just going to do one eye with my Shape Tape first. And the Shape Tape has the doe foot. And actually, let's open up the Makeup Revolution one too. Pretty similar doe foot, as you can see right there, just a little bit thinner. It looks like not as spongy, which, you know, not a problem at all. So let's get started. Now with my Shape Tape, I know a little goes a long way, so that is more than enough. So we're gonna do the same thing with this to begin with, and if we have to add, then we already know that this wins. Oh wow, very similar consistency. I could tell right away how creamy it was. And it looks actually like I picked the perfect color. It looks almost exactly the same. So that is exciting. All right, let's start blending them out. With my beauty blender, obviously. Duh. We'll do it with this side first. So as you can see, instant brightening, full coverage, wha-bam, normal. Now let's do this side. Looking pretty similar here. Color-wise, I'm super happy. Let's zoom you guys in a little bit just so you could see up close. So there is the Makeup Revolution side and the Shape Tape. I think it looks pretty similar, and that's just me. Alright, so I'm going to set that, do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like with my powder and baking and all that. And yeah, so be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So, this is what it looks like up close. You know, we'll zoom in a little. So this side is my Shape Tape. And this side is the Makeup Revolution. Coverage wise, I think it looks really good right now. I use the same powder for both sides. My setting spray, all my normal stuff. So we'll see how it wears throughout the day. you know, disclaimer, I do crease my eyes. I just, you know, I have little wrinkles right here. I have dark circles. I have all these things. My skin is really oily. Oh, my stomach's growling. I'm hungry. I'm trying to go to breakfast, guys. Ooh. So we will see how it wears throughout the day. All I'm looking is see, is it comparable to, you know, $27. $27 concealer, $7.99. So we'll see, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the day. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's about 5 o'clock now, meaning I've had my makeup on for about 7 hours today, and it's actually, you know, my makeup as a whole has actually stayed on pretty good today, despite the fact that Vegas is super windy today, and I felt like my eyelashes were about to just fly off, my eyebrows, everything was just gonna go flying into the wind, to the desert. But just to, you know, remind you, this side is the Shape Tape, and this side is the Makeup Revolution. I think they both look awesome. They look so good. Now, just looking up close at myself right now, I do think that the Shape Tape had a little bit more coverage than the Makeup Revolution one. I think I could have served, if I would have put a little bit more of this on, I think it would have looked exactly the same. I do still see a slight bit of darkness right here. But earlier, let me zoom you in real quick. I don't know, there's shadow in here, so it's hard to tell and be fair. But as you can see, they look almost identical. I just think that this one would have looked even better if I would have put a little bit more on. When I asked my boyfriend, I said, hey babe, which under eye looks better? He actually chose the Makeup Revolution one. So, you know, something to be said there. So yeah, guys, I think they're both super awesome. I will definitely continue to repurchase both of these products. But if you're someone that doesn't want to spend $27 on a concealer, which to be honest with you, I forgot it was $27. I went to Ulta the other day and I saw the stand and I was going to buy a backup and I was like, $30? Like, isn't it crazy to think, like, I have three and I've already emptied one and my light medium honey is almost gone. So this is a lot of money right here. I didn't buy it all at once, but still, you know, so if you're someone that's just not comfortable with spending that type of money, but you still want that coverage, that stay, you want to still be glam, I think this does it, guys. Like, I'm super impressed with how this has held up. And like I said, I think tomorrow I'm going to use this, both eyes, and put a little bit more and just test it that way with setting and wear and all that. But I'm super happy and I'm so glad I bought two of them. So I'm super glad I bought two of them because this is awesome. This is awesome. Look at this. Look at the glow. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is actually an eyeshadow. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you guys liked this, if you want to see some more like high-end versus drugstore things. I love doing stuff like this because it's, you know, good research for me and for everybody. And yeah, I will, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hold up.